Okay, just one more problem that we are going to work through together. So make sure you complete problems A, C, and D from station number 4. And we're going to move on to station number 5. And we have some coordinate planes, some axes. So that means that we get to graph. So problem or station number 5 is all about graphing. And that was chapter 3. So if you've got your chapter 3 notes on you, fantastic. Go back to those. But know that there were 2 main forms that we graphed in. If we were given our equation in standard form, so your x and y are on the same side, we did it using what I called the cover-up method, where we find our x and y intercepts and plot those 2 points, connecting them with a straight line. If we took the time to rearrange to slope-intercept form, or we were already given it in slope-intercept form, what we could do was plot our b and then use our m. So remember, your m is your rise over your run, and you can use that to plot a couple more points, one to the right and one to the left. And you connect those 3 points with a straight line. So we are doing 5b together, which is 5x minus 3y equals 60. So let's go ahead and write that in. Now it is in standard form, so let's use our cover-up method. So our cover-up method says, okay, if you want to find your x-intercept, you're going to cover up your y term. So we get the equation 5x equals 60. Well, in order to find out what that is, we're going to divide by 5 on both sides. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So our x-intercept is the ordered pair 12, 0. And we do the same thing to find our y-intercept. See if you can go ahead and find your y-intercept on your own. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, to find our y-intercept, we cover up our x term. Don't forget the minus sign is attached with that 3, so that's important. So we have negative 3y equals 60. And dividing both sides by negative 3, we find that our y-intercept is negative 20. Now you'll notice both of those numbers are bigger than 10, but we only have 10 tick marks in any direction. So what we get to do is count by something other than ones. So both on our x-axis and our y-axis, we are going to count by 2s. So our x-intercept is going to be all the way over at 12. So if we're counting by 2s, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There goes my x-intercept. My y-intercept is negative 20. So we've got negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, negative 20. There's that point. And what we get to do from here is connect those points with a straight line. Don't forget, we draw our line from edge to edge, taking up the whole graph, all the space we have, and we put arrows on both ends because we do not have a restricted domain for these. So go ahead and finish up those last 2 graphing problems. Now, whenever you're done with any of these problems, what you need to do is have the sub check your answers. So she or he, I don't know who it is, has the answer key, and you will go through and raise your hand, let her or him know that you're done, and you have to get them checked off before you get tonight's worksheet. This is what you're going to work on for all of class today, and so you've got plenty of time to do it. Finish the problems that we did not do together, and then from there, you will be able to get started on your homework, which is that orange worksheet related to problems very similar to what we did in these problems together.